Using the wrong shampoo can seriously damage your hair. If your hair looks dry, frizzy, dull, or unhealthy, your shampoo is the problem. Using the right shampoo can really change your life. Number 1. Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo is a premium shampoo designed for damaged, bleached, color-treated, or heat-styled hair. Its biggest strength is Olaplex's bond-building technology, which helps strengthen hair and reduce breakage caused by chemical treatments and heat damage. The shampoo also provides good hydration, leaving hair softer, smoother, and easier to manage. However, it is focused more on repair than deep moisturizing, so people with extremely dry hair may still need a conditioner or hair mask. Its sulfate-free formula cleans gently without stripping natural oils, making it a great choice for dry or damaged hair. However, those with very oily scalps may prefer a stronger cleanser. The main downside is the price. It costs significantly more than most shampoos, but many users find the results worth it if their hair is damaged. Overall, Olaplex No. 4 is an excellent repair shampoo with good moisturizing benefits. If your hair is damaged and needs strengthening, it's a strong choice. If you're only looking for hydration, there are cheaper alternatives that offer similar moisture. Number 2. Kérastase Densifique Bain Densité is a premium salon-quality shampoo created for people with fine, thin, or density loss hair who want their hair to look fuller and feel stronger. The formula is designed to gently cleanse the scalp and hair while improving volume, body, and overall hair resilience. Unlike many heavy shampoos that can leave fine hair flat and lifeless, this shampoo is lightweight and helps hair maintain a soft, airy feel. After regular use, many people notice that their hair appears thicker, feels stronger, and has more movement and bounce. This shampoo works best for fine, thin, weak, or aging hair that has lost some of its natural density over time. It contains ingredients that help hydrate and strengthen the hair fiber, making strands feel healthier and less prone to breakage. Because it focuses on improving the appearance and quality of the hair, it is especially popular among people who want more volume without sacrificing softness or shine. Hair often feels smoother, easier to manage, and more refreshed after washing. In terms of quality, Kérastase Densifique Bain Densité is considered one of the better volumizing shampoos available in the premium hair care market. The formula feels luxurious. A little product goes a long way, and it is backed by a brand known for professional salon hair care. However, people with extremely dry, coarse, heavily bleached, or highly damaged hair may need a more intensely moisturizing or repairing shampoo, as this product's main focus is density and volume rather than deep repair. Overall, if your goal is to make fine or thinning hair look fuller, healthier, and more resilient, Kérastase is definitely worth considering. While it will not grow new, Number 3. Moroccanoil Hydrating Shampoo is one of the most popular moisturizing shampoos in the premium hair care market. It is formulated with argan oil, red algae, and vitamins to hydrate, soften, and add shine while gently cleansing the hair. The formula helps reduce frizz and leaves hair feeling smoother, healthier, and easier to manage without feeling greasy. This shampoo is best for normal, dry, thick, coarse, wavy, curly, and color-treated hair. It works especially well for hair that feels dry, dull, frizzy, or damaged from heat styling. People with very fine hair may find it slightly heavier than shampoos designed specifically for volume. In terms of quality, Moroccanoil Hydrating Shampoo is excellent. It is sulfate-free, color-safe, and gentle enough for regular use. Many users love its signature scent and the way it leaves hair feeling hydrated and soft. The price is on the higher side, usually around $25 to $35 for a standard bottle. While expensive, many people consider it worth the cost because a small amount goes a long way and the results are impressive. Overall, it is a great choice for anyone looking for hydration, softness, shine, and frizz control. Overall, rating 4.7 out of 5 stars. Pureology Hydrate Shampoo is widely regarded as one of the best moisturizing shampoos for dry and color-treated hair. It is designed to provide deep hydration while protecting hair color from fading. The formula contains ingredients such as jojoba oil, green tea, and sage, which help nourish the hair, improve softness, and leave it feeling smooth and healthy. Despite its rich moisturizing properties, it cleanses the hair effectively without stripping away natural oils. This shampoo is best suited for dry, normal, thick, coarse, wavy, curly, and color-treated hair. It works particularly well for hair that feels rough, brittle, frizzy, or damaged from heat styling and chemical treatments. People with very fine or oily hair may find it a little too moisturizing for daily use. In terms of quality, Pureology Hydrate Shampoo is considered a premium salon product. It is sulfate-free, vegan, highly concentrated, and color-safe, meaning a small amount can go a long way. Many users praise its ability to make hair feel softer, more hydrated, and easier to manage after just a few washes. The price is relatively high, but many users believe the performance justifies the cost because of its concentrated formula and excellent results. Overall, Pureology Hydrate Shampoo is an excellent choice for anyone with dry, damaged, or color-treated hair who wants long-lasting hydration, softness, and color protection. Overall rating, 4.8 over 5. Number 5. The K18 Peptide Prep Detox Shampoo is a very good clarifying shampoo. It removes buildup, oil, and hard water residue effectively while being gentler than many detox shampoos. A lot of users report that their hair feels cleaner, lighter, and more voluminous after using it, and the product has strong ratings on major beauty retailers. However, at $67, you're paying a luxury-level price for a shampoo. The shampoo performs well, but it is still primarily a cleansing product, and many people can get similar detox cleaning results from significantly cheaper alternatives. Some users also report dryness or scalp irritation, especially with frequent use. If I ignore the price and judge only the formula and performance, I would give it 4.5 over 5.0. It cleans extremely well and is one of the better detox shampoos available, but if I'm rating it as a purchase at $67, I would lower the score to 4.0 over 5.0 because the performance is excellent, yet the value is not. You're paying a premium for a product that is better than average, but not dramatically better than every cheaper option. K18 Hair, final rating at $67, 4.0 over 5.0 star worth buying. Yes, if you want a high-end detox shampoo and the price doesn't bother you. If you're looking for the best value for money, I would say it's good, but somewhat overpriced.